The top 7 home buying questions in Chicago real estate people must know before you buy. Are you thinking about buying a home in the Chicagoland, but you feel overwhelmed with all the crazy stuff going on, right? You're not alone. And trust me, asking the right questions is the first step to buying a confident in today's real estate market. In today's video, I'm going to answer the top 7 questions that Chicago home buyers ask so that you can avoid costly mistakes and make smart moves. Now let's break it all down together. Hello, my name is Hugo, and I am your local real estate expert with Coldwell Banker, serving the Chicago and the surrounding suburbs. I'm also your local real estate agent for Lakeview, Chicago. Whether you are a first-time home buyer, relocating, or investing, I specialize in making the process stress-free and so that you can focus on finding your dream home, not stressing over the details. I've helped many clients just like you find the right home at the right price with the right strategy. Number 1, how much do I need for a down payment? This question gets a lot. Most people think that you need 20% down, but that's a myth. Today, many buyers qualify for conventional loans with as little as 3% to 5% down, and FHA loans offer as low as 3.5% down. On top of that, there are first-time home buying programs in Illinois and Chicago that offer grants, forgivable loans, and down payment assistance, saving you thousands of dollars at the closing table. Let's talk to see which program you may qualify for. Number 2, what credit score do I need to qualify for a mortgage? In general, lenders prefer a credit score of 620 or higher, but you still have options with a lower score, especially with FHA or a VA loan. The higher your score, the better chances of getting lower interest rates and better terms, which saves you money along the term. I'll connect you with the right trusted mortgage professional who can review your credit and help you improve it if you need it. Question number 3, how do I know what I can afford? This is where we get into the numbers. Your monthly income, your current debt, your savings, your lifestyle, all plays a big role. A good rule of thumb is to keep your monthly housing costs, including taxes and insurance, under 30% of your income. I'll help you work with a lender to get a clear picture of purchasing power and ensure that you're looking at homes that are comfortable for your budget and long-term goals. Number 4, should I buy now or wait for the interest rates to drop? No, many buyers are waiting, but while you're waiting for the rates to drop, guess what? Home prices are jacking up, and especially in Chicago's competitive neighborhoods. Even if rates drop later, the price of a home might be even higher, which cancels out the savings. The better approach is to buy now and refinance later if the rates drop. We'll make sure that we're buying at the right price and in the right location. Number 5, do I need a real estate agent to buy a home? Yes, you do, and I'll tell you why. As your buyer's agent, we will work for you, not the seller. I negotiate on your behalf, guide you through the process of the inspection, the appraisal, protect your legal and financial interests. The best part, I can negotiate and have my seller pay for my commission, so you don't have to bring a whole lot to the table. But you wouldn't go to court without a lawyer, right? And you don't buy a home without a strong agent on your side. Number 6, what's the first step to buying a home? The very first step to getting pre-approved for a mortgage, not just pre-qualified, pre-approved, shows sellers that you're serious and you're ready and you can give a huge edge to this market. Also helps you understand your exact buying power and avoids any surprises later on. I work with top lenders who make this process quick, easy, and I'll personally walk you through every step. Lastly but not last, number 7, how competitive is the Chicago housing market? Chicago market is unique. Some neighborhoods like Lakeview, Lincoln Park, West Loop are hot and move quickly, while others offer more room for negotiations. That's why having a hype local real estate expert matters. I study the market all over the city, all over the suburbs, weekly guide you on how write strong offers and stand out. Whether it's a multiple situation or off-market properties, we got strategies to help you the upper hand. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments that you'll ever make, but you don't have to do it alone. Give me a call, send me a text, 773-550-4846. I'll help you, guide you all the answers and questions that you might have through every step of the process. From the financing to the closing, we'll be your partner in building wealth through real estate. If this video was helpful and educational, don't forget to follow us on social media, like, comment, and share. This would be great an opportunity to share this with your friends and family. If they're thinking to buy a home, please let us know. I'm your trusted guide, Chicago real estate expert. Let's make your home ownership journey a success.